Introducing Securacom, the answer to your NBN faults nightmares. Picture this. You've had a long day at work, and all you want to do is relax with your favorite show. But alas, your internet connection is slow and unreliable, leaving you frustrated and disappointed. Enter Securacom, the premier NBN faults repair experts, your knights in shining armor, ready to whisk away your internet woes and bring you the high-speed, stable connection you deserve. Join the ranks of over 25,000 delighted customers who trust Securacom for their internet connectivity solutions. Our ACMA-registered technicians are well equipped to handle both residential and commercial settings, ensuring you enjoy an uninterrupted, fast internet performance. But that's not all. Securacom offers comprehensive ISP reporting for NBN network faults, complete with video evidence and detailed written PDF reports. Our commitment to thorough documentation helps secure a 100% service call refund from your ISP when the fault lies within the NBN network, not your private cabling. With over 25 years of industry experience, Securacom is a name you can trust. We stand by our work, offering a no-risk 30-day satisfaction guarantee. Don't let NBN faults hold you hostage to a subpar online experience. Choose Securacom, and let our expert technicians liberate you from the chains of slow, unreliable internet connections. Enjoy seamless connectivity and boosted productivity, satisfaction, communication, and convenience. Say goodbye to the days of slow and frustrating internet connections. Embrace the future of high-speed, reliable internet with Securacom. Book your service today and experience the Securacom difference. Because life is too short for slow internet, we can repair your internet service today. Call us now on 9-188-1577, or you can book our service from this page. Click on the Book Your Service button to be taken through to our easy-to-use online booking system. On the next page, you will see the price for this service. You will also see our technicians' available times and dates, so you can pick a day and time that works for you. So, what are you waiting for? Get started now.